Welcome to Part 5 of School Vocabulary. 41. Uniform. Meaning, special clothes worn by students at school. Example. We wear our school uniform every Monday. Synonyms, school uniform. Antonyms, casual clothes. 42. Schedule. Meaning, a plan showing classes and activities. I check my schedule every morning. Synonyms, timetable. Antonyms, none. 43. Break. Meaning, a short rest between classes. The students are playing during the break. Synonyms, recess, rest. Antonyms, lesson. 44. Semester. Meaning, one of the two main periods of a school year. The new semester starts next week. Synonyms, school term. Antonyms, holiday. 45. Grade. Meaning, a score showing how well a student performed. She got a high grade in English. Synonyms, score, mark. Antonyms, failure. 46. Certificate. Meaning, an official document showing achievement. He received a certificate for excellent performance. Synonyms, award, diploma. Antonyms, none. 47. Graduation. Meaning, the ceremony celebrating the completion of studies. My graduation was a special day. Synonyms, commencement. Antonyms, enrollment. 48. Education. Meaning, the process of learning and teaching. Education helps people build a better future. Synonyms, schooling, learning. Antonyms, ignorance. 49. Knowledge. Meaning, information and understanding gained through learning. Reading books increases your knowledge. Synonyms, understanding, learning. Antonyms, ignorance. 50. Success. Meaning, the achievement of a goal. Hard work leads to success. Synonyms, achievement, accomplishment. Antonyms, failure. Congratulations! You have completed the school vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to AVETRA EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.